pay yourself first. What does that really mean anyway? It doesn't mean that you shouldn't pay your bills, and it certainly isn't meant to sound as selfish as it sounds. If we haven't met yet, I'm Mitch Goldberg with the wealth management firm Client First Strategy, and this is this week's Monday Money Tip. These are tips and phrases that I use with my clients to help get them into the right frame of mind for thinking about a specific goal, especially something that requires a massive amount of discipline for a very long time, like saving for retirement. When you get paid, some of your money goes to taxes and the rest of it goes into your checking account. And once the money is in your checking account, what do people do with the money, especially when they're younger and starting out? They often spend it. So what I'm saying is this: if you can have an automatic deduction taken directly from your checking account, timed with the time that you receive funds into your checking account, it'll be like you don't even notice the money was there in the first place. Hey, this isn't some kick against young people who are just starting out. When you're just getting started out, it's a very expensive time of life. You may have student loans to repay, you may have to get an apartment, you may have to pay for a car. There's lots of expenses, so it's easy to let your income get away from you and put off saving for retirement until a better time. But the problem with that is a better time never comes up. You actually have to be the one to make it a better time for yourself. So whether or not you're participating in an employer's 401k plan, or if you're just saving on your own, by automating the process to pay yourself first, meaning just take a little bit of your funds out of your pay before you use the rest of it for spending and living expenses, that will help you go a long, long way in your goal of saving for your retirement. And that's why you always hear people in personal finance like myself use the phrase, pay yourself first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.